Mower deck repair. See the crack. There's another one. Kind of straightened this one out already so it can be welded, and you can see the fresh weld on the outside to hold it in place. Somebody already repaired this deck at one other time. You can barely see their crappy ass weld. I put one on top of it to hold it in place. These mower decks cut grass from the inside, so they need to be welded on the inside. A lot of these people, they just weld it on the outside and don't fix the damage at all. I do a lot of these. There's one here. There's one here. I got a couple more outside that are pretty bad. Commercial deck I just did. And I got two more up there. As you see, I do a lot of these. This one here, same thing. Mounts. Holes. Patch I put on the inside. It's an older patch I did. It's another older patch I did. If you repair it from the inside, it's going to last. Doesn't matter what it looks like on the outside, because it doesn't cut grass on the outside. I'm going to go ahead and weld up this one here. Here it is welded. These pieces here, they usually break from crashing into things, and the first thing people do is break them off. And when that happens, you lose the integrity of the front of your deck, and then that usually bends in and the blades hit it. I go around and I check for cracks. There was a crack there, and there was a crack there. If you don't fix it now, it's going to come back and you're going to have to fix it later. I know some people want to fix it twice, but I don't. This is where somebody else had welded before. I tried to cover up as much of that crap weld as I could and bridge the gap. That was completely broken all the way off. And you just walk around and check for cracks. Make sure there ain't any cracks in the deck. And then I usually put a little bit of primer on it when I'm done. Because these decks usually hold a lot of moisture. That's about it. I do a lot of these decks. I work for a couple different mower shops. I also got an ad out, so people call me from all over. A nice little shop here. Plasma table. Helps me cut centers. That machine saves a bunch of time. Got a roller here that I roll all my baffles and stuff with. It's definitely nice to have. Here's a test. That thing will actually roll a quarter. Pretty nice.